Okay, I've got something different today. Just received a package from China. Looking like this. A bunch of little boxes. All stained. Yuck. In any case, what they are is bulbs. And they're LED bulbs. And I bought them. I had an idea to go looking for them because these ones, the original tungsten bulbs, they keep blowing. And it's dangerous. I don't like riding out and then having a signal not going. I carry bulbs with me for that purpose, and I'm constantly checking them because they blow quite regularly. And I thought maybe there's an LED equivalent, and I found some at a local store, but they're really weird. You know, they're a funny shape. Then I went looking and I found these that look like a conventional bulb, which is quite cool on the outside. I have the glass, and so they sort of look legit, but they got LEDs inside. Now, I did a lot of work to search all of them, and I found that most of them just have 2 LED bits on an angle like that, but some of them have 4. Obviously, I wanted the one with 4. And it also said that they were 4 signals. Now, I want to test whether that's going to work, because if you know LEDs, you know they sometimes have a second before they come on, which should of course be no use with a signal. So I want to see if that works. So we're going to try that now. I bought a whole pile, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, again, I can't quite tell if this is all the same bulbs, because I bought enough to have a spare have a full set of 4 plus a spare set of 4. I can't remember if I then also got another set of 4. So let's see, but there's 10 here. Now I also got the rear light, a brake light. Rear light and brake light combo. So I'm looking for that. Oh yes, here we go. God, they're so shitty. I wish you could get quality things like this, you know. Same thing, but a quality version. In any case, this is the brake light version. Stoplight, brake light. It's got the stepped things there so that they go in the right direction. And then it's got 2. So that ground, and then one of those is the rear light and ground, and the other is the brake light. So I can see I've got a couple of those, 3 of those. I'm just opening all the boxes. Another brake light. A signal. They bloody sent me 10 bloody brake lights, haven't they? God, I mean, they're cheap enough, which is why I bought plenty. Another brake light. They've done it the wrong way around. They've sent me the, I double-checked this, and another brake light. So they've sent me 2 signal lights, and 8 brake lights. Unbelievable. Took weeks and weeks to get these as well. Okay, I had to just check what I purchased here. Now, this is the order. It's about 5 weeks ago. BA15S, 21 watt, backup, reverse, light, turn signal. That's it. It's 21 watt, BA15S, turn signal bulb. Quantity 8. I've only received 2 of those. And down here, the 15D 21/5 watt stoplight, tail/spotlight, brake light bulb. That's the other one, quantity 2. So yes, of course, that's back to front. But let's carry on with the video. Let's do it. Actually, I'm able to look underneath. Yep, looks good. I'm going to close it up, may as well see what it looks like in my original CEV signals, not the replicas. These are originals. A real thing. I was very lucky to get these. I have a couple spare as well. So there it is. Now let's put the key in. Turn the headlight off. Jesus. It works, but that's very dim. It's barely even coming on. Okay, well that's a complete fail. There you go. So that was the point of the video. Don't get these things. They don't work. It stopped working here. It's not even going now. It's barely coming on. And these are sold for signals. That's what they're sold for. What a load. Well, I'll try it when it's going, but I've got full strength battery here. Wow. Yep. Fail. So let's try the same again, but with the rear light, with the brake and stop light. This is what we're putting in. Now, unlike the signals, these of course go on and off, on and off, so it might be more suited to this. So we'll have a look at what it looks like without the lens on it. Here's the light. It's much brighter, the brake line, isn't it? There we go. Oh, it's terrible. Not impressed with that. Let me just put this on carefully. That is dim. That's a dim light. No. I would say that's a fail. And I bought something cheap from China off eBay. And let me say, I am not surprised that this didn't work. Okay, I'm going to clean these up before I put it back on. Alright, another one fails. What I'm doing now is a screwdriver and some things I ordered from China. Now if I put up the rest of the video, you'll already have seen these. You've seen that the people sent me the wrong ones. Instead of 8 of one and 2 of the other, or 10 of one and 2 of the other, it was 8 and 2. They sent me 2 and 8. So that sucked. So, signals. I'm going to turn off my main light there. And we're going to have a look at what a signal looks like. It's pretty nice and bright. About evenly on, evenly off. And we'll do the same again with one of these in it. Without the motor running, it was bloody hopeless. that's straight across, so that's this one. So I'm thinking they're a waste of money. But I'm going to expose that for everyone. Okay, let's see what that's like. Okay, that's a lot better. Doesn't look as nice. The color's not as nice. It's not warm like the screw fell out. It's not warm like the tungstens. However, it works. I'll just turn the other one on. I still think these are much nicer and much brighter. That's just so much more noticeable. Oh, that's weak. Yeah, no, it's just no good. No good. It's better than at home, because there on the battery it wouldn't even stay going. So it wasn't even enough voltage. But there's enough voltage here now. It's no good. No good, says Mr. Ducati. Okay. Yes, much better. Right, that's enough of that.